How to use promo code in the Dollar General app. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can use the coupon codes or promo codes on the Dollar General app. First, you can go to Dollar General app or log into the Dollar General website. If you don't have one, you can always create one. Open up your web browser and search for Dollar General. Now from here, you could just go ahead and tap on the website. And from here, just make sure to log in. Once you are logged in, you can find the coupons and cashback option right here on top. Just tap on it. Then you can find promo codes or any special offers. And you can add those kind of offers to your checkout page or your cart. So here you can add different kind of deals with coupons and cashback. And there are certain ads as well. And once you have it and when you're ready to check out, you could just go ahead and tap on the card icon. And when you go to the checkout page after visiting your cart, right before you check out, you'll have an option to enter the promo codes that you've just added, and you can get different discounts based on that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.